dividing your stuff, or what South Carolina courts call equitable division. There are some families who actually take each car and house and put them all in joint names and put all the money into joint checking accounts. To be quite honest, that's not very common. Lots of people keep some things in her name and some things in his name. And so it is frequent here at the Condon Law Firm that we hear folks say, well, that's mine, or no, that's hers. Well, there isn't mine and hers in South Carolina family court. While it might be true as long as you're married, the old Eddie Murphy joke, half, is alive and well in South Carolina family court. Indeed, half. She gets half is really how we start the process, whether you like it or not. In most cases, the judge is going to grant each of you half of what y'all have together in total. No, we don't do each item. Instead, we put them all together and put them in one common pot and go through a process where we identify all the assets, identify credit card debt or other debt you might have, put a value on each of those, create a spreadsheet of all the items together, often covered in our initial consultation. How much is the house really worth? Could you actually sell the car for what Kelley Blue Book says it's worth? What does Zillow say your house is worth? Or do we need to get an appraisal? Or would it make sense to sell it? And then we decide who's going to get each asset or debt in order to then balance out the total to be a 50-50 split, or what we have decided. At the Condon Law Firm, we're experienced in helping you get to your answers quickly and without need for extra accountants, etc. We'll use the professionals and the information you have at hand if you're ready to proceed. Now, I said, in most cases, a court will indeed grant a 50-50 division. There are times we'll see 45-55 or 60-40, and those occasions are going to happen when there's marital misconduct, or someone has a trust fund or a huge inheritance from the parents that make them otherwise in a much better financial position than the other party. So there are reasons we can vary it, but to be quite honest, it doesn't have to happen as often as you think it does. Also know that the only thing that really gets left out of the division are items you've had before marriage, like if you inherited your parents' home and it was already paid off. Well, that may or may not be included in the marital estate, but regardless, there's going to be consideration for the fact that it was yours before the marriage. Likewise, if you inherit from your parents during the marriage, that may be set aside. So we'll help you figure out the specifics here at the Condon Law Firm. We work with a spreadsheet and know that part of what we try to do is work electronically with you to help you gather the materials you need, which helps you save on your legal bill. We'll let you do as much self-help as you want, but we're prepared to also do all the legwork if that makes more sense and is better for you.